Hi everyone, welcome back to class. Infosys has started hiring the freshers of the graduates 2025. So I will explain you the step-by-step process to apply for it. So I will get you the link in the description box so that you can easily able to apply when you go through that particular link. So when you click on that particular link, you may get the page like this. Okay, so in order to apply, you need to give the details like name, email address, phone number, address, date of birth, college roll number, photo, that is the passport size photo, resume, and educational details like 10th CGPA, name of the board, school name, year of passing, state, country. Similarly, for the 12th and diploma, and you need to give the graduation and the post graduation if applicable. So these are the details you need to give. Okay. So here you need to click this particular box so that you are agreeing that you have read all the above declaration. Okay, then you need to click the button here accept, so you may get the page like this. So here you need to give the details. Okay, so you give the email address of yours, so you may get all the updates regarding the Infosys recruitment process to this email. So here I am giving my email address, and then here you need to give your first name. Okay, and here you need to give the last name. So once you fill this, you need to click the button continue. Okay, so here you need to fill the details like gender. So if you are a male, then you need to click the button male, and then here you need to give the first name of yours. Okay, and then here you need to give the last name of yours. Okay, and then here you need to give the primary email address. Okay, and then here you need to upload your recent passport size photo. Okay, so here I'm uploading my passport size photo. Okay, once it is done, you need to click the button done. Okay, then here you need to upload the updated resume of yours. Okay, so I'm just uploading the resume of mine. Okay, so once if it is done, then you need to give the mobile number of viewers. Okay, and then you can also give the alternate contact number, and it's the optional one. Okay, then here you need to give the date of birth of yours. Okay, so I'm just giving here 2000 and June, and the date is 14. So here you need to give the date of birth. Then citizenship, so Indian. Okay, then do you have a passport? If yes, you need to click the button yes, or else you need to click the button no. Okay, then here you need to mention the street or house number. Okay, then address line 2, that is the optional one. Okay, then here you need to give the pin code of your address. Okay, so it is automatically taking the state and the district where you are located. Okay, then here post office, you need to select the post office. So I'm belong to the post office Karimnagar. Okay, once these details are given, you need to click the button next page. Okay, so here it is saying 2000. Okay, yeah, so you need to click the button next page. So here it is asking us to enter the details of our 10th, 12th and graduation. So here the 10th degree type is secondary school leaving certificate, and here you need to enter the school name. Okay, then here you need to select the board where the school belongs to. So my board name is of secondary education. Okay, and then here you need to select the specialization in your school. So I'm taking here general, and then here you need to give the country you belongs to. Okay, then the state you have completed your education. Okay, so the state is Telangana, and then you need to mention average percentage or CGPA, okay, of your 10th. So I'm entering here 9.5 as GPA, and then you need to select the month and year of your 10th pass out. So it is 2019 of May. Okay, then here you need to give the details of yours class 12th or diploma. So I completed my 12th, so I'm clicking the button 12th standard, and then it comes under higher secondary school certificate. Okay, and the college name is SR Junior College. Okay, once if it is done, you need to select the board. So it comes under the board Telangana Board of Intermediate Education. Then you need to select the state here. Okay, so Telangana and the country you belongs to. Then the branch of intermediate. So I have taken PCM, that is physics, chemistry, maths, and then you need to give the percentage of your intermediate. So I have got 98 percentage, so I'm just mentioning 98, and the passing month and the year. So I completed my intermediate in the year 2021 in May. Okay, once if it is done, then you need to give the details of your graduation. I completed my degree, that is Bachelor of Technology, that is the BTech, and the institute name is Eshwari College of Engineering. Okay, and then university. So it comes under JNTUH. Okay, so I'm taking here Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad. Okay, then here you need to take the country, that is India, and state that your graduation belongs to, that is Telangana. Okay, then here you need to select the branch you belongs to. So I completed my computer science engineering, so I need to select CSC. So I can see CSC here, computer science engineering. Okay, then you need to mention the CGPA of your graduation. So I got 8.5, so I am entering 8.5, and the passing month and year, that is 2025. In the May month I completed my graduation. Okay, and if you have done post graduation, then you need to give all those details. Okay, and do you have any active backlogs? If yes, then you need to click the button yes, or else no. Okay, then do you have gaps in education? No. So once it, if it is done, then you need to click the button next page. Okay, so here you need to click the button I agree, so that you authorize Infosys to conduct investigations to verify the facts of all statements made in this application and your supporting documents. So once if it is done, you need to mention here your digital signature. So I'm just entering my name. Okay, once if it is done, here you need to mention your full name. Okay, so you need to validate captcha by entering this box. So once if it is done, you need to click the button submit. Now you may get the page like this. Thank you for filling out the form. Infosys Limited Recruitment. So this is how you may get at last after filling all the details and clicking on the button submit. So this is how you need to apply for this Infosys recruitment process. So this is all about today. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. And share this video to all of your friends so that they will also able to apply. So thank you all.